Sanibona, phinde nginibingelele nje namhlanje ngaleli thuba, ngalomzuzu, ngaleli hora. Kuhlezi nje kwemnandi, kwenkulu, kwemangalisayo futhi nethabisayo intokozo ukuthi sihlangane ngezindaba ezinkulu zasekhaya ezulwini, sihlangane ngeziprofetho, sihlangane ngezimfundiso, sihlangane ngemiyalezo evela kubaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini. Namhlanje nje socela nje sithole kakhulu isiprofetho of which I know ukuthi to many people iziprofetho ziyaye zingakholwakali, ziyaye zingaqondakali futhi ziyaye zibonakale njengento nje engekho. Why? Because kusuke kuyinto eyenzeka emfihlakalweni, whether into engakenzeki, whether into eyenzeka abantu bangayibona, whether izinto ezenzekalayo currently but abantu abangayiboni, abangayirealize, abangazazi, abangaziqondi futhi abangasoze baziqonda only if bexhumene noNkulunkulu spiritually. So namhlanje nje there is a very deep prophecy uNkulunkulu aseke ayiletha, and isikhathi esiningi when it comes to imiyalezo emikhulu, talking about people, talking about izinto abazenza in the background, abazenza go back door, izinto ezikanjalo ziyaye zingakholwakali kubantu abaningi, especially abantu abangayi-understand izinto zakwamoya. Kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi kungamanga, lokho akusho ukuthi akukho, lokho akusho ukuthi akwenzeki, kodwa konke kuyiqiniso ngoba uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba ubona yonke into eyenzakala lapha emhlabeni, ubona yonke into oyenzayo ebumnyameni, ubona yonke into oyenzayo emaphushweni, ubona yonke into oyenzayo endlini yakho uzivalele, ubona yonke into oyenzayo emsamo yakho ngezimpepho, yonke into oyenzayo ngemali yakho, yonke into oyenzayo engqondweni yakho ngamagama abantu, ubona zonke izinto uJehova odalile izulu nomhlaba. And ngaso sonke isikhathi ngokubona kwakhe konke lokhu ufisa ukuthi sixwayiseke singabantu ukuthi hayibo, lokho okuthandayo akusikho lokho ucabangayo, lokho kulangazelelayo akusikona lokho uzitshela ukuthi kuyikona, akusikona lokho ufisa ukufinyelela kona, akusikona kahle kahle lokho ngabe uyagcina kuwena, because kuzokulimaza, kuzokwenza ukuthi nokuthi ebese kukwenze ungapheleliswa ekuphulukisweni umphefumulo wakho. Because singabantu siyamthanda uJehova, siyamfisa futhi ukuthi ahlale nathi ezimpilweni zethu, but there are many things ezikhona lapha emhlabeni ezihinda, zivimbezela ukuthi lokho kwenzeke, zivimbezela ukuthi umthole uJehova lo oyiqiniso, lo ongunaphakade, lo uNkulunkulu odalile izulu nomhlaba, lo futhi obuyayo uJesu Kristu ezolanda ibandla lakhe lapha emhlabeni. So it is very important singabantu ukuthi sazi ukuthi everything uJehova enze ebumnyameni uzoyambula ayiveze ukuthi bukani kwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi, and zonke lezi zinto zakwamoya, because abantu abakhulile spiritually, abantu abazazi, abantu bavalekile amehlo, bavalekile izindlebe, bavalekile izindebe. I'm not talking about lokho okubonayo nezindlebe ozibonayo, but I'm talking about izindlebe zakwamoya, amehlo akamoya, to be able to see things ezingakholwakali, to be able to see things ezenzeke ezimfihlakalweni, to be able to be shown things ezinkulu othi mawuzibheka ubona ukuthi cha lokhu ngeke, hlasimba kona ayingeke, angikholwa lokho, kanti kuyikona ngoba uJehova ukuletha njengoba kunjalo. So singabantu we come to a point lapho khona sekumele siqine, sikwazi ukugraspa izinto ezinkulu, izinto ezingakholwakali, izinto ezinzima ukuthi uzibambe, uziqinise noma uzikholwe ungumuntu, because singabantu zonke izinto sizitshela ukuthi ziyilento esicabangayo kanti akukho njalo. We always think ukuthi abantu bayilento esicabangayo, abantu they will always behave ngendlela esifisa ngayo, abantu they will always react ngendlela ofisa ukuthi ba-react ngayo, kanti akukho njalo umuntu kaNkulunkulu. They will not do such, ngebenze ngendlela yakho, but bazowenza ngeyabo indlela, whether you believe it or not, whether you believe it ukuthi hayibo umfundisi lo owenza izinto ezikanje, whether you believe it umfundisi lo obhizi emathuneni ebusuku, umfundisi lo owenza 1 no 2 no 3, okusalayo kunjalo, okusalayo akujiki, kumile ingunaphakade, and uNkulunkulu udala izulu nomhlaba uyazibona zonke lezi zinto. Hence that is why ethanda ukuthi mase zibonile abuye azositshela ukuthi hayibo, ukuthi akusikho njalo, akusikhona ngale ndlela enicabanga ngayo, futhi definitely akusikona ngale ndlela enifisa ngayo. That is how abantu abaningi bedukiseka kulezi ikhathi zokugcina, that is how abantu belahlekiseka. It is because izinto eziningi abafuni ukuzikholwa as the reality, ezindlela ngendlela ezingayo ngqo. Abafuna ukubona ukuthi lento kahle kahle kanje, lento kahle kahle ayikho kanje. reality kube yiyona ngqo ebusa abantu, but abantu they do not want to see all that, they do not want to believe all that. That is why bezohlala endukisweni, bezohlala ekulahlekisweni, bezohlala ebumnyameni ngaso sonke isikhathi, because sebencamela bathanda ubumnyama okudlula ukukhanya, kodwa ukukhanya kube kukhona, bona bathanda kodwa ubumnyama ngaphezu kwa konke, because they are so used to it, they are so used to lies, they are so used to being deceived, they are so used to imoya obumnyama ibangame ibamuse, so sebayithanda ukuthi ibabuse ngenkani nanoma bengasathandi. Well, asazi noma basathandi noma basaqhubeka basathanda, kodwa ke imoya obumnyama abantu iyababusa, and they do not care anymore, noma they have used to it, they love le mimoya ukuthi iqhubeke ibabuse ngale ndlela. So isihloko nje ngifisa sikhulume ngaso sithi abaculi begospel abasiyona lento esiyicabangayo. Yazi ukuthi I've seen, especially with amakholwa amaningi, they always think ukuthi yabona nje molalele umculo wegospel uphelele, molalele umculo wegospel yonke into right, that is the sign, or that's the representative yokuthi ayi uyikholwa ngempela, ayi uyadumisa ngempela. Yes, I want us to come to a belief ukuthi impela back then ingoma nje zenkolo zazikade ziku-uplift umphefumulo, zazikade zikubuyisela leya ndumiso, zazikade zikulapha, zikondla, zikufida ngengaphakathi lakho emphefumulweni wakho. But njengamanje we are living in times lapho khona zonke izinto ezenzakalayo they do not happen ngenxa yokuthi kumele kusizwe wena muntu emphefumulweni wakho, they do not happen ngenxa yokuthi kumele ku-uplifteke wena, kumele kwenze wena ubuyele enkonzweni, kumele kwenze wena ukholwe, kumele wenze wena ubuyisane noNkulunkulu. But sezenzeka ngenxa yokuthi abantu bafuna ukuthola something ngako, bafuna ukuqhubeka babuse bazuze imali thizeni ngako, bafuna ukuthi bakhule badume ngako. So sekwenzeka ngaleyo njongo manje, but underline something ukuthi ukuze umuntu adume, ukuze umuntu athole imali, ukuze umuntu athole zonke lezi zinto azifunayo, lezi ezithandekayo njengamanje, it all comes with a certain sacrifice. It all comes with a certain worship. Because njengamanje it's not just easy ukuthi ungavele wazi wabantu nje isinom kanjani. No, sekusebenzisa some sort of spirit thizeni, or some sort of spell or umuthi thizeni, so that into yakho izokhula, so that into yakho izoqhama, so that uzogqama kwa wena. But to sell your soul to get riches, right? Kufana nani? Kufana nasebhizinisini. Ibhizinisi ngeke livele likhule nje sinoma kanjani, libe likhulu libe lingaka if you want to be so rich in your business. But isikhathi esiningi ukuze into yakho isheshe bake bathatha backdoor, bafuna shortcut. Labo shortcut laba, yes, definitely I want to make it clear ukuthi bazokufikisa vele lapho ufuna khona, but kuzodingeka ukuthi usebenzise umjovo thizeni qala ukuze bathini booster, it's ukubooster qala, so that uzokwazi ukuthi ufinyelele lapho ufuna ukuthi ufinyelele khona. So by the use of all these things, by the use of all the other hands, by the use of all other spirits, by the use of all other gods, ikona ke okwenza ukuthi kulahleke, ungabasaba yilento Jehova akade efisa ukuthi yenzeke, kungasaba indlela uJehova akade ethanda ukuthi kuworshipwe ngayo, kudunyiswe ngayo, noma kwenzeke ngokwentando yakhe. Why? Because abantu njengamanje they just take everything as a career. Mangithi as a career, everything at the end of the day you need to earn something out of it. Mele uthole imali ngakho ngithi. They take everything as ukuzigabisa. La eshokhona uJehova ukuthi ningazigabisi, ningabi ngabaziphakamisayo, ningazikhonzi, ningazikhothameli. But abantu, they want to be so famous these days. They want to be just out there. They just want to be the face. They want to be seen. They want to be known. And I really do not understand ukuthi yini special ngokuthanda ukwaziwa. Yini uthanda udumo, uthanda ukudunyiswa ukuthi Nkosi yami naye ukuthi nokuthi. I don't see anything special about that mina. Kodwa ke if abanye abantu they see something special about that, then vele siphile ikhathi zokugcina lapho khona abadukisi bezikhathi zokugcina. We know ukuthi bazoba abantu abazobehave ngale ndlela, we know ukuthi bazoba abantu abazokwenza ngale ndlela, we know futhi ukuthi bazoba ngabantu abahlezi ngaso sonke isikhathi befuna u1 no2 no3. So we live in that kind of time, bantu baNkulunkulu. We need to understand ukuthi noma ubani manje ngenza noma yini ukuze abe nama likes awu1 million. Noma ubani angenza noma yini ukuze ebank kungene u25,000 ngokuthi nje uperform i-hour elilodwa. Noma ubani engenza noma yini ukuthi ahlale kwingqovu yomuzi ongaka, adrive ingqovu yemoto engaka, athole ingqovu yomkhwenyana omuhle onomkhaba nani. Everyone can do anything ukuthi ibhizinisi lakhe lichume likuthengwe kwenze zonke lezi zinto. Everyone bengenza noma yini ukuze bangabonakali bebroke, bangabonakali bengenakho ukuthi, bengabonakali beshota, bengabonakali bedinga u1 no2 no3, but bafuna ukuthi bahlezi benayo yonke into ngokuthanda kwabo, ngokunxanela kwabo nangazo zonke izinkanuko zabo. So singazitshela ukuthi leyanto leyana kusayiyona, akusenjalo, sekushintshile nje kamanje. Everything has come to a turn. Konke sekuguqukile, akusekona lokho ekudla obucabanga ukuthi kumnandi, kuyasiza, kuyelapha, ku-health nani. No, sekunomjovo phakathi. Buyitshela ukuthi kuzokusiza ngithi, but sekujoviwe phakathi. Buyitshela ukuthi le nkukhu imnandi, kunikeza ama-protein nani. Isijoviwe-ke, isinama-chemicals, ama-chemicals athakathi wazobulala wena ngengaphakathi lakho. Akusekona lokho obucabanga, akusekona lokho obukufisa, akuseyona loya dokotela obumthembile ukuthi engakwelapha ngakusiza. But usewudokotela lo ufuna imali yakho, so lokho azokunikeza kona okuzokwenza ukuthi come back for more, and you will definitely come back for more. Why? Because yena akufunayo it is that 500 ozowukhokha lana kule surgery. So people of God, we must come to an understanding of all these things ukuthi zinjengoba zinjena asizoshintsha futhi, but zizoqhubeka zibe worse. Ubumnyama buzoqhubeka upgrade, amanga azoqhubeka upgrade ngaso sonke isikhathi, abe updated. Why? Because isithe sifuna ukuzibusela, isithe sifuna ukuqeda ngemphefumulo, sifuna ukuqeda ngoJehova, sifuna ukuqeda ngoJesu, sifuna ukuqeda ngezulu, sifuna ukuqeda ngokuphulukiswa kwabantu, so that abantu bezofa esihogweni, bezofa kalasha kanye naso. Because in as much as uNkulunkulu is busy inviting everyone to come to umbuso wezulu, nesitha is busy inviting everyone to come to kwalasha esihogweni, in the lava la ehlelelwe khona, because uyazi ukuthi uhlelelwe ilava, uyazi ukuthi uhlelelwe ukubhubha. So he is also inviting as much and as many people as he can. Baya ukuthi abavumele ukuthi benzela noma yini, baya ukuthi abavumele ukuthi baphule umthetho kaNkulunkulu isinoma kanjani. Not ukuthi uyabavumela, but uyaba influencer ngezinto ezikhona eziningi ezigcwele, and busy upgrading all those things so that abantu bezonakazona kakhulu, bafake izinhliziyo zabo kulezo zinto lezo eziningi ezigcwele, and mase befakile inhliziyo zabo bengenza noma yini ukuze bazithole lezo zinto. Because wherever there is your heart, nengcebo yakho ilapho, or wherever kunengcebo yakho, nenhliziyo yakho ilapho. La khona zonke izinto zakho, la khona zonke izinto oyifunayo, la khona zonke izinto oyilangazelelayo, nenhliziyo yakho ilapho, and ihlala ilapho ngaso sonke isikhathi. So the more inhliziyo yakho ilapho, uzofisa ukuyivikela ngithi, uzofisa ukuyivikela into zakho, uzofisa ukuvikela konke, so ugcina wenzene noma yini. Inhliziyo yakho isekuthenini wena uduma ngithi, so ungenzela noma yini, unganikela ngomphefumulo wakho, and masunikela ngomphefumulo wakho usutholile indawo, and usuyamkelile i-invitation yakwalasha, usuyamkelile i-invitation yasesihogweni la ebekelwe khona uSathane. So if ngaso sonke isikhathi abantu bezothanda zonke izinto ezikhona, it is by them determining ukuthi bathathe yipi invitation, whether bathathe yokuphila okuphakade noma bathathe yokufa okuphakade. But either way kune invitation osuyi-acceptile. Bathi yini? Challenge accepted. Kodwa mina ngithi namhlanje invitation accepted, because there are two things, there are two kingdoms. There's a kingdom of heaven, there's a kingdom of hell. So these days there are two invitations that ablibele ekhishwa, izithunya zigcwele ezikasathana, amadimoni nabonke ama-satanist agcwele, akhipha ama-invitation to izinto zasesihogweni, akhipha ama-invitation ngotshwala, akhipha ama-invitation ngokubhema, akhipha ama-invitation ngokuphula imiyalelo kaJehova, akhipha ama-invitation ngomona, ngobuthakathi nazo zonke lezi zinto. And the Lord is just bringing invitation ngezwi lakhe eleqiniso, ngokuthumela izithunywa zakhe ezizokutshela ukuthi hayi buzofa ngalento eyenzayo. There is another invitation uNkulunkulu ayikhipha ngeqiniso ukuthi hayi bo phendukani, umbuso wezulu usuzondele, phendukani, nimbuso wezulu usuzondele, nizihlambulule, nizihlanze, nizihlenge because umbuso wezulu usula. Sekonakele emhlabeni. The Lord is taking out invitations. Nesitha is taking out invitation. So umbuzo uthi wena, which ones between these two are you accepting? Accept siphi isimemo? Because izimbili, khona esokusindiswa, khona esokufa. Inkinga leso sokufa awuzubona ukuthi uzofa, but indlela eyinhle. Inkinga leso sokufa sibukeka sesihle njengamanje emehlweni abantu. And sihle ngempela sibukeka sesihle, kumnandi ukuduma, kumnandi ukudla ipizza, kumnandi ukudla zonke lezi zinto. Kodwa ungabi nendaba noNkulunkulu, ungabi nendaba nokufunda izwi, ungabi nendaba nokuyiphulukisa, ungabi nendaba nokunkonzweni. Zonke lezi zinto zimnandi, I don't want to lie. It's nice to go and watch some movies. It's nice ukudrive imoto long trips, zonke lezi zinto lezi. But if ungenandaba nomphefumulo wakho, that invitation osuyamkelile izokuthatha ikise straight esikokweni, izokuthatha ikise straight kwalasha, izokuthatha ikise straight lapho ungathanda ukuthi ufinyelele khona. So we need to come to an understanding ukuthi which invitation have you accepted, or which invitation are you busy accepting kulesi sikhathi sokugcina. Because there are two invitations abusy spread abantu. Are you busy following the invitation yabantu abayizithunywa zikaNkulunkulu, which are busy spreading iqiniso likaNkulunkulu ngeziprofeto, ngezimfundiso, ngemiyalezo, nako konke okuvela ekhaya ezulwini? Or are you busy following zonke izinto ezikhona lapha emhlabeni? Nayi AI, ifone ukuthi, ifone okwazi ukubona ngingaphathi, ngikosema imoto ekwazi ukungithatha ngibeke ngingadrivanga, nginganyathelanga, ngenzanga zonke, ngingenzanga lutho. Shutha ngidinga license. Ngidinga nje ukuthi ngibe nemali ngithenge le moto kwaphela nya. Which invitation are you accepting ngempilo yakho? Because it's all about your life. It's all about ikusasa lakho at the end of the day. It's all about ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kuwena ngento oyamukelayo kusanesikhathi, ngento oyamukelayo kusanamhlanje, ngento oyamukelayo manje ngempilo yakho. Which invitation are you accepting? There are two invitations. So kunemiyalezo enzima uJehova athi uma eyiletha ngeso lenyama thina sizitshela ukuthi ayi cha, lokhu akukwazi ukuthi kungaba eqiniso. Kodwa uJehova elibele enze isiqinisekiso sokuthi uyacacisa ukuthi hey, ngeshwa unjalo, whether siyakholwa noma cha, but it is what it is. So izindaba zikaNkulunkulu zihlezi ziyiqiniso, akukho nokukodwa futhi asoze kwaba khona okuyinkohliso. I just want to promise you that ukuthi everything that has to do with uNkulunkulu ayikho into eyinkohliso lapho, ayikho into eyamanga lapho, ayikho into elahlekisayo lapho, but everything I show you, it is iqiniso, because his word is truth. He is the truth. Jehova uJesu esho ukuthi mina ngiyindlela neqiniso nokuphila. So if uhamba ngaye uzohamba eqinisweni ngaso sonke isikhathi, and definitely you will get ukuphila okuphakade. Lokhu engihlezi ngithanda ukuthi sigcizelelane ngakho ukuthi indaba inokuphila okuphakade kahle kahle bantu bakaNkulunkulu. So we need to come to terms and understanding ukuthi iqiniso lakhe lela asiqinisa ngalo futhi asikhanyisela ngalo, usikhanyiselela ukuthi sazi siqonde ukuthi ezintweni zonke ezenzakala lapha emhlabeni uyena yedwa ongasibonisa ukuzosiza, uyena yedwa othanda ohlalela ukusisiza futhi in more especially, futhi uyena yedwa ongasikhulula kukona konke nabugqila nabumnyama nayinkohliso nazi izinto zonakala lapha emhlabeni. So he's the only one who can help us with all the things ezikhona lapha emhlabeni esibhekana nazo, esibhekene nazo, nesisazobhekana nazo futhi in the near future and in the time to come. And as I was walking into today, the Lord was busy explaining ukuthi yazi izwi lakhe liyisibani kangakanani, liyisibani lisikhanyiselayo ebumnyameni. His word is light. Mangithi his word ngikhuluma ngezwi from iBhayibheli. Ngale nkathi ulifunda uthola ukukhanya ukuthi yazi Nkosi yami, because siphile ebumnyameni lapha emhlabeni, siphile enkohlisweni lapha emhlabeni, but ngale nkathi ekhuluma ngezwi lakhe, because izwi lakhe from the Bible kuze kuthiwa izwi, incwadi engcwele, it is because it is his voice portraying, ekhuluma zonke izinto. Njengoba usuke ukhula ke ufunda izwi lakhe, understanda ngeBhayibheli, uzukhule ufunde izwi lakhe ngokuli-understanda nangezi-prophets, even in dreams, ekhuluma uNkulunkulu umlomo nomlomo nawe, uthi uyavuka ukhumbule everything uNkulunkulu kade yisho. His word lilibele escalator by your growing and upgrading in understanding nasekusondelene nasekuhlaleni noNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi. So izwi lakhe is always the light. Izwi lakhe lihlezi liqondisa. It's just like umzali mezokhanyisela ingane yakhe ezothi ngezwi lakhe, mntanami ungahambi ngale ndlela, uyamkhanyisela ingane yakhe enzela ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ingalahleki empilweni, yazi ukuthi la kukanje nakanje nakanje, because umzali understand kangcono ngezinto ezenzakala emhlabeni, usekubone konke, ukwazi konke, futhi kuningi akuqondayo yena, wena mntwana ongakuqondi, kuningi akubonayo yena, wena mntwana ongakuboni. So ngezwi lakhe mezokutshela ukuthi ungakwenzi ukuthi, usuke ezokulayithela, ezokukhanyisela ikhandlela ukuthi no, khanyiseleka ungahambi la kumnyama, khanyiseleka ungenzi lokhu, kuyabheda. And then his spirit ongumoya ongcwele uyena ongamafutha ke. Amafutha enzani? Aqondisa umuntu esonweni, aqondisa umuntu ekoneni, because isona njalo. So amafutha enzani? Ayakukhumbuzisa ukuthi ubonile la nalana la. It's just like amafutha uzowagcoba ebusweni, akwenza ube muhle, akwenza uhlale njalo ungabe dry, but isikhumba sakho sihlezi si-nourished, si-fresh. So uhlala njalo u-fresh ungumuntu if ungoni, if ungenzi okungafanelekile ngaphambi kaNkulunkulu okuyisono, because isono asifanelekile, isono siyanyenyeka, isono siyazondeka, isono asithandeki enkosini. So ngokungenzi, ngokuhlala unomoya weqiniso, ukona uzokukhumbuza ukuthi hayibo, coba nalapha emhlanje, coba nangala nase you know, ngokuthi uqondise, ngokuthi ukusize, ukudedise kuzona zonke izono. So singabantu izindaba zikaNkulunkulu zihlezi ziyiqiniso, because akukho nokugodwa, futhi akusoze kwaba khona okuyinkohliso, ngokuba uJehova esekhulumile, besingobani thina abantu ukuphikisa nokumelana nezwi lakhe? Who are we because he's the creator of the whole world? Who are we because he's the creator of everything? Who are we because he can see everything? Who are we because he can see okuzokwenzeka? Akutshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu kusasa yazi kuzonetha izulu, vele uwashe namhlanje kusanelanga, uzothina nizomphikisa. And then mase sekwenzeka kusasa, ububa wena, ubukade uphikisa uJehova, ububa wena, because uyena oletha imvula vele from the first place, uyena oletha ilanga vele in the first place. Wena uzophikisa ukuthi hayi ngeke kuze kwenzeke lokho, uma ngobusika ayinethi njalo imvula. Kanti uNkulunkulu wenza ngeplan yakhe, ngehlelo lakhe, ngendlela abona ku right, kulungele ngayo, in helping everyone. So sizothini ke? Sizotha yikho leyo nto, singobani thina? So ngomhla 25 March I had a dream. This is a very very deep prophecy bantu baNkulunkulu. I want us to understand ukuthi, and ngale nkathi ngireceiver oqala, I thought to myself ngeke it can be, but uNkulunkulu and kept on emphasizing ukuthi no, kahle kahle kunjalo. And I even made a video, a very short clip on TikTok, but I didn't post it. But uNkulunkulu ngokuthi aphinda libuyise futhi leli phupho, that is when uNkulunkulu was pressing ukuthi lalela kukanje, lalela this is true, lalela kunjalo, there is nothing you can do futhi ngalokho. So singabantu, in as much as thina izinto singazibuka ezingazuthi akusizona, singazibuka ngazuthi akusoze kwaba nje, but kukanjalo, because abantu benza ngokuthanda kwabo nje kamanje, abantu benza ngendlela abacabanga ngayo, abantu benza ngendlela abafisa ngayo, so that bazothola whatever bathanda ukuyithola lapha emhlabeni, so that bezogena whatever bathanda ukuyigena, especially when it comes to imali. As I was saying ukuthi ngomhla ka 25 March I had a dream, ngaba nephupho lapho ngibona khona abaculi begospel about I saw two musicians nje wegospel. Uma ngibabona, it was like ngisendaweni eyintaba, ne? This place iyintaba nje, but mina ngingezansi. Ubone entabeni uma uzoba phansi ukuthi you can see everything that is happening at the top. You can see everything and anyone. Hlasimbe umuntu owehlayo noma umuntu omile entabeni, noma isikhathi esiningi mawukuthi uzoba buqamama kakhulu, you won't be able to see ukuthi who exactly is that person. But indawo engangikuyona yayingekho buqamama, but yayithanda ukufihleka ngaphansi. Umuntu ongaphezulu, it was like use stage, you know, if use stage wena ongaphansi, obviously you can see them, obviously you can hear them, obviously you can see everything that is happening ngaleso sikhathi. So uNkulunkulu put me kule ndawo esezansi, kuyintaba, kunotshani lana, kunezinto nje ngazuthi kumgede futhi khona la. So now if ngilapha ezansi, I could see abantu abaqhamukayo ngaphezulu, and kwaqhamuka 2 musicians bebeshintshisana. I'm not sure about abanye ababefika after, but uNkulunkulu only showed me about 2 at that time, and uNkulunkulu made an emphasis koyedwa njengamanje currently these days. So the first musician I saw efika laphayana, it is uDumi Mkokstad. So mefika in that place, afike acule, not 100% sure ukuthi ufike acule 1 song or 2 songs or even 3 songs, but afike acule, and then washona eceleni, and kwaqhamuka another one, the other one who is uThina wakwaZungu, and uThina Zungu naye afike acule, and then phinda acule enye ingoma. So mina mabeqhamuka bacule, sorry, just want to make this clear. Okay, so ukubone if umuntu ezocula aculele ehholo, yes, in a big space nje, like a hall. But mecula ehholo acule eyedwa kungekho umuntu, noma uzocula endlini, ucula izwi lakhe kube ngazuthi liyanenela, right? Kube ngazuthi liyaluleka, like ukuzothi oh la, you know, ngazuthi liyaphindeka. So ngale nkathi becula bekuba into kanjalo, their voices, it's like their voices were supposed to be captured ndlela thizeni, ama voices abo ngazuthi khona la emele abambeleke khona, noma abanjwe khona, noma kwenzeke something ngawo. So ngaleyo ndlela abe catch up ngaleyo ndlela, for only God knows why. And at that time when I woke up, because befike becule ama voice abo abe captured, kwenzeke whatever beyenzeka in that dream, and then bese ke bayasuka kungena omunye, nasuke kungena omunye, kanjalo. And at that time when I woke up, uNkulunkulu wacacisa ukuthi kakhulu ukuthi laba baculi begospel bangabadukisi, whom are specifically sent ukuthi baluthekise futhi badukise, especially amakholwa. Why? Because thina, or because isitha realizes ukuthi one thing ngomuntu ukuthi yini ayithanda, because isithi into esifunayo ukuthi yini ayithandayo, yini engamthola ngayo, yini engamzuza ngayo. And masibona ukuthi okay, lo uchobozwa lana, lo uthintwa lana, definitely sizosebenzisa leyo ndlela, definitely sizosebenzisa leyo ntuba, definitely sizongena ngaleyo ndlela, because isitha umthetho waso ukuthi sizuze wonke umuntu, sithumbe bonke abantu, sizuze wonke umuntu esingakwazi ukuthi simzuze, whether uyikhola, whether ungubani, whether kwenzakalani. Ngathi sitha sakwazi ukuthi silinge umfeli wethu yonke into ekhona lapha emhlabeni okungeyakhe, sizama ukuthi simwise uJesu Kristu, sizama ukuthi simlwise ngamandla anawo, sizama ukuthi simlwise ngobuyena uqobo lwakhe, because sasimlwisa ngezwe, sazi kahle ukuthi vele engawashintsha lamatshe abesinkwa, vele engaziwisa lapha, vele uJehova engamhlenga athumele zonke ingelo sizomhlenga. Sasazi kahle ukuthi engakwenza lokho, so sasimlwisa ngamandla akhe. And we live in times lapho khona abantu njengamanje uma engatshelwa ngamandla akhe engafuna ukuthi awaveze same time. Fana nomuntu uzosuka kuyena uzothi hayibo unomlingo wena, hayibo unamlingo wena, ayikho leyo nto, uzothi ngampela uthi ngikubonise, you know, things like that. So isitha sasifuna ukuthi silinge uJesu, simwise ngokuthi sithi ngeke uzukwenze lokho wena, uhlulwa yena ukwenza 1 no 2 no 3, uyakwazi nje. Ebese sifuna ukuthi uJesu adinwe, ebese sithi uthini, uthi angikwazi ukwenza ukuthi ngizokubonisa. And yenzeka kakhulu kuleyo nto kubantu, ukuthi ngizokutshengisa ukuthi ngubani, ngizokupruvela, ngizoyenza lento ukuthi angikwazi, ngizokubonisa impela ukuthi ngiyakwazi ngampela ukuyenza. Of which it is something engamele ngabe yenzeka, but kumele simelane naye ngeqiniso ukuthi uthi angikwazi, ngiyakwazi. So and angidingi ukuthi ngile ngitshengisa wena, but ngidinga ukuthi ngikwenze makunesidingo, ngidinga ukuthi ngikwenze makumele, ngidinga ukuthi ngikwenze makufanelekile. Not ukuthi ngitshengise wena ukuthi ngiyakwazi noma cha. So isitha realizes one thing ngomuntu ukuthi yini ayithandayo. Iyona into sihlalela ukuyistudisha ngabantu by sending monitoring spirits, spying spirits, or spying, even using people around, using your friend, using the internet, your phone, using your family, using your spouse, using each and everyone, your child, your neighbor, anyone and everyone to spy, so that sizothola ukuthi lo ngamthola kanjani, lo yiphi intuba, yini ayithandayo, yini ayilangazelelayo, yini ahleze egijima, yini engazithi nje makuthiwa naku ukuthi agxuma hlala. And abantu abaningi bawinwa ngokudla, abantu abaningi bawinwa ngemali, abantu abaningi bawina ngezinto zonke ezikhona lapha emhlabeni. Why? Because izinto abazithandayo vele, izinto sithola indlela elula ukuthi right laba sengiqedile mangenza kanje, sengiqedile mangathinta la, sengiqedile mangamchoboza la, sengiqedile mangathinta lokhu nalokhu. Kufana noma umuntu wesilisa ezoshela umuntu wesifazane, uzofika abona ukuthi yini ayithanda, uthanda uchocolate, amzuze ngawo. Lo uyile nhlobo engatholakali kalula, lo uthanda ukuya esontweni, hayi uthi ngithi kumlandela kube ngazuthi nami ngithanda ukuthi ngiye esontweni naye, so that ngizomzuza, so that ngizothola inhliziyo yakhe, and then base sekutholile, and then they go back to square one, to impilo yakhe. So bezama ezenze ngazuthi uyahambisana nawe, uyalandelana nawe, wenza ngendlela ethandekayo nezoncomeka noyifisayo wena, kanti cha, it was just ukuzuza wena, it was just ukuthola wena, it was just to getting at your weakest spot, getting at la uthinteka khona, la uchobozeka khona, la ubambeka kakhona, so that ezoyithola into akayifunayo, and mase seyitholile gone. So isitha into esibhekayo kakhulu ngamakholwa, because amakholwa iwona athanda uNkulunkulu, ngithi iwona ahlele ebukhoneni baNkulunkulu, iwona wazana noNkulunkulu. So siyabuka ukuthi lamakholwa ndini lawa ngingawathola kanjani bona, ngibangathola kanjani labantu, because bayamthanda uJehova, labantu bayathanda ukungena embusweni wezulu, bayathanda iqiniso, bayathanda ingoma zendumiso, bayathanda ukukhuleka, bayathanda konke lokhu. So ukuze ngibathole and capture their souls and capture their spirits and capture their attention, ngibenze baduke at least bekhona enkonzweni, ngibenze baduke at least bekwenza lokho abathi bayakwenza okungaNkulunkulu. At least let me use this kind of music so that bezozuzeka phela nabo, so that ngizobathola phela nabo. So amakholwa azitshela ukuthi anoNkulunkulu futhi ayakholwa kakhulu uma elalela this gospel music, and azitshela ukuthi asephelele ekudumiseni, asephelele in uplifting their spirits, asephelele exhumaneni noNkulunkulu. Isitha then recruits secret workers, or angathi secret workers, recruits just normal workers abazo specifically abazo-targeta amakholwa. Futhi uma benza njalo bayazi ukuthi bazobe bezuze abaningi, because churches are so full. Indawo kaNkulunkulu, abantu uNkulunkulu phela ula emphefumulweni, ula ngaphakathi. Abantu bamlangazela every day, bamlangazela every hour, bamlangazela every week, bamlangazela njalo. So isitha sithi okay, ngoba bamthanda vele lo uNkulunkulu wabo, bamlangazelela futhi bamfuna futhi bamdinga, ngoba izingane zangaphakathi emphefumulweni wethu ihlezi idinga uJehova. So sithi okay, badumisa kanjani? Ngoba bathanda umculo kanje, umculo uzofaka uNkulunkulu. Let me recruit people abazohlabelela ngaye lo Jehova wabo, kodwa bebengabezi udaleli zomhlaba, kodwa bebengabezi lo weqiniso, kodwa bebengabezi lo ozoba upliftwa ngempela, baze baphulukiswe, bathukulule bese bayakhuleka ebugqileni, because ngiyathanda ukuthi bahlale kulobu bugqila lobo esengibathumbele ngababeka kubona. So recruit abantu who are targeting specifically amakholwa khona bezuzuzwa abaningi. So ngale nkathi becula in that place, in that dream, there is something in the dark world that is initiating them to actually spread the spirits of darkness instead of light. So ngento eyenzeka kuma voices wabo, kumculo wabo, in their lyrics, there is something that is casted as a spell in the spirit. Noma ngizothi kunomoya thizeni ongena in the lyrics, ungene in the voices, ungene kubona uma behlabelela becula. They are initiated because they are worshiping loya nkulunkulu loyana, so that bezoba rich, bezoba famous, bezoba nemali, bezoduma nani zonke lezi zinto abayifunayo. So ubona into abakayenzayo banikela ngabo, and then mase benikelile ngabo lo moya lo uzokwazi ukuthi ubabuse. Yes, bazoqhubeka balibiza igama laNkulunkulu. Yes, bazoqhubeka bathi Jesu Jesu. Yes, bazoqhubeka bengazuthi bayadumisa nani. But these dark spirits asuke sebabusa, so that bezothi becula le moya ispreadeke to the whole world, to the whole people abazobe bewulalela lo mculo. Abawobaniki amakholwa. So now umculo wegospel singabantu, so that we can see ukuthi lento ideep kangakanani and how true is it. Umculo wegospel is supposed to give you hope. Umculo wegospel is supposed to give you happiness. Is supposed to give you peace. Yabo lo mculo mawulalela kumele ukunikeze ithemba lokuthi ngampela uJesu uzongisiza, ngampela uJesu uzongisiza, ngampela uJesu uzongilapha. Noma ethule kodwa impendulo ikhona. Khululeka. Konke kuzolunga. It's supposed to give you that kind of hope. It's supposed to give you that ugqozu ukuthi uJehova uzokwenza, ukuthi uJehova uzongisiza, ukuthi uJehova uzongilapha, ukuthi uJehova uzongiduduza, ukuthi uJehova uzongenzela konke engikudingayo, ukuthi uJehova uzoyiphendula imithandazo yami, ukuthi uJehova uzongenzela konke. It's supposed to give you peace. Uthi usilalela ngoma urelax, ukhuleke, uhlale kamnandi, nje uhlezi unokuthula okungaphakathi okuvela ngoNkulunkulu. Lo mculo is supposed to give you happiness. Ujabule uthi mayilalela ngoma uze nje unenjabulo, uze unogqozo, uze unentshisekelo, uze ngazuthi ungavelwe enkonzweni njengamanje. Uyongoza. Uvelwe enkonzweni ngekho umuntu. Uyohlabelela khona. It's supposed to give people all those kind of character, all those kind of traits, all those kind of ngizothini lawo mandla lawo, all this kind of energy. Kukunikeze lokho. Umculo kumele ngabe wenza njalo. But igospel uyayilalela uqhubeka uyifanele. Igospel uyayilalela uqhubeka ube nosizi lakho ukuthi ngiswele imali. Igospel uyayilalela uqhubeka uxokozele. Uthi kade ulalela umculo wegospel ishingoma idlala igqomuzela yegospel, kodwa uxokozela uthi ufise ngisho ukushaya umuntu, udinelwe ngisho ingane yakho. Ingane yakho ithi menza ukuthi ufuna ukushaya ngempama same time. Kodwa ulalela umculo wegospel. Uthi mawuswela imali esikhwameni, kodwa ulalela umculo wegospel uvela ukhala. Uthi kodwa ulalela umculo wegospel, isn't it supposed to give you hope ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzongisiza? Isn't it supposed to make you happy deep within ukuthi noma kungenzeka inani mina ngihlezi ngijabulile, mina ngihlezi nginokuthula, mina I'm happy, I'm fulfilled. Because uNkulunkulu gives you happiness. uNkulunkulu kunikeza injabulo, ukhohlwe izona zonke izinsizi, ukhohlwe bona bonke ubuhlungu, ukhohlwe bona konke okwenzakala empilweni yakho okungekho right, okukuthwalisa kanzima, okugqilazayo, futhi okwenza uzwele ubuhlungu. But umculo is being listened to day night, day in, day out, day and night. Kodwa kusafana. Abantu basanosizi. Abantu abakabi nabuthula, abantu abajabulile. Abantu basaxokozela. Sekuyilalela nje ingoma. Just because. Sekulalela nje. Just because. Akusalethi lo lethando leliyana. Akusalethi lo kagqozo lo yantshisekela. Akusalethi lo kuyana ekumele ngabe kuyakuletha from the first place. So kusizani ke abantu baNkulunkulu. Kusizani. So uyaye ukuthi ulalela uqhubeke uphile lempilo elikhuni. Futhi uqhubeke kanjalo. Why? Because akusiyena uNkulunkulu osuke edunyiswa in this music. Because akusadunyiswa uNkulunkulu. As I was saying, yes, liyabizwa ngampela igama likaJesu in this kind of music. Uyabizwa ngampela uNkulunkulu, uyabizwa ngampela izulu, uyabizwa ngampela whatever kubizwayo. But akusadunyiswa uNkulunkulu odalela izulu nomhlaba. Lo letha ithemba langampela, lo letha ukuthula kwangampela, lo kulethela injabulo ya ngampela. because you're supposed to be listening to the word of God. Because if makudunyiswa, kusukudunyiswa uJehova, kubizwa igama lakhe. And windumiso, it's just like prayer, it's like umkhuleko. But manje sekucula nje because you have a voice. Sekucula nje because kumele abantu balalele a certain sound, a certain voice, a certain umsakazo. Akusegona lokho okwaNkulunkulu, akusegona lokho kubiza uJehova, kubize izulu lize izulu lizohlala nawe, lizodumisa kanye nawe. Because into ezenziwa izingelosi ekhaya ezulwini, njengoba intando kaNkulunkulu kumele senze lapha emhlabeni, zibhizi zidumisa uJehova, zibhizi ziyahlabelela, zithi hosana wena ophezulu, zithi abba baba. Zibhizi ziyahlabelela, zithi ungcwele njalo, zimgcwelisa uNkulunkulu, zihlabelele zenze konke lokho. And nathi we supposed to be doing the same thing. Sihlabelele sidumisa uNkulunkulu ngokuthi silibele sigena ithemba, sigena ukuphila, sigena injabulo, sigena ukuthula. But njengamanje ngenxa ukuthi lo mculo loyo usubizwa abantu abalande ebumnyameni qala, abazenzela ngenxa yemali, abenza ngenxa ukuthi bafuna ukusurvive lapha emhlabeni, ngenxa ukuthi bafuna ukuduma. Akusadunyiswa uJehova, akusaspreadwa izwi leqiniso, akusaspreadwa uNkulunkulu, akusababazwa yena, akusatuswa igama lakhe. That is why qhubeka umhlaba ube njalo njengoba unjalo. That is why baqhubeka abantu babosizi, baqhubeka abantu baxokozele, baxabane, baqhubeka abantu baqhubeka einkingeni, baqhubeka enzimeni, baqhubeka kuzona zonke izinto abaqhubeka kuzona, because akusegona lokho yana, akusegona lokho sikucabangayo. And kumele sikwazi ukuthi iziyasho incwadi yaJakobe ukuthi uyakholwa wena wenza kahle, namadimoni ayakholwa aze athuthumela. So noSathane namadimoni bayakwazi ukubiza igama lika Jesu. It's so easy, kulula. So people, we need to understand ukuthi akuyona yonke into ethi Jesu ebiza uJesu wangampela. Angithi uyasho ezwini lakhe incwadi yaMateyu ukuthi akubona bonke abathi inkosi inkosi abayongena embusweni wezulu. Ilabo ke uJesu azofika athi cha, angikaze nganazi, sukani kimi benzi bokubi. It is because ngaso sonke isikhathi abantu bakudukiseka nokulahlekiseka bezitshela ukuthi yebo uma bathi manje Jesu sekushiya uJesu wangampela, lo dalile, lo ongumfeli wethu. Makuthiwa nje uNkulunkulu sekushiya uNkulunkulu lo dalile izulu nomhlaba. Makuthiwa nje moya ingcwele, awumoya ingcwele, kushiya umoya ingcwele lo umduduzo weqiniso oshiwo uJesu wathi uma senibhabhadisiwe nahlengwa ngizonamkelisa umoya weqiniso oza kunifundisa yonke into. But abantu bekhala umoya ingcwele, akhala umuntu ebefake ubucwebe noma zonke izinto, umoya ingcwele, moya ingcwele. There are many energies, people. There are many spirits akhona lapha emhlabeni. Akusikona lokho esicabangayo, akusikona lokho esitshela ukuthi kuyingwala, but kungilokhu okukhona emhlabeni, because yonke into isigcwele sispread futhi sisabalele lapha emhlabeni ngendlela esekwenzeka ngayo njengamanje. So singazitshela ukuthi isitha asimazi uNkulunkulu. And one thing uNkulunkulu ayishoyo njengamanje ekumele sihlezi siyazi, sikhumbula ukuthi lalelani la, isitha sazi kakhulu ngezulu more than wena muntu. Manje siphuma khona ezulwini, manje siyamazi uNkulunkulu, siyalazi izulu, siyazazi izingenozi, siyawazi. And futhi more especially isitha isona esasiphethe umculo ekhaya ezulwini, isona esasiphethe indumiso ekhaya ezulwini. So ikulula kakhulu ukuthi sisebenzise indumiso ukuluthekisa abantu abaningi. Kulula kakhulu ukuthi sisebenzise umculo nendumiso ukuqhelelanisa abantu abaningi nobukhona baNkulunkulu, because indumiso siyazi from A up to Z. Sazi wonke ama notes, sazi wonke ama symbols, sinebhimbe elihle. Isona esasiphethe sicula kahle kunabo bonke, nazo zonke izingelosi. Sizikhulu seyingelosi esiphethe umculo, sihlabelelisa yonke into eyenziwe ekhaya ezulwini back then. So siyazi yonke into. Senze isiqinisekiso because siyazi ukuthi indumiso yenzani kumuntu. Ukuhlabelela kuyamthokozisa odabukileyo. But njengamanje sekukuhlabelela nje. Uthi udabukile na ukuhlabelela kodwa akusakuthokozisi. Uqhubeka udabuke kanjalo. Uqhubeka uhlale la uhleli khona. Yikho nje even when they collect ama awards abo, ngo-Metro Awards, Music Awards, they'd say, I thank God ngale award. Aqhamuka athi nje sicela nje uqala nje ngokubonga uNkulunkulu ngale award. Who said ukuthi usuke bonga uJehova odalile izulu nomhlaba? How 100% how sure are you ukuthi usuke bonga uNkulunkulu? People, there are many gods lapha emhlabeni. USathane kwayena uNkulunkulu. Yabo wake wakhothama. Singalinge sididiseke sizitshela ukuthi usuke esho uJehova umenzi wezulu nomhlaba. Ngoba baningi oNkulunkulu lapha emhlabeni. USathane unguNkulunkulu, amadimoni anguNkulunkulu. As long as ukhotha, yabo into moyikhothamela wayithemba isiuNkulunkulu wakho. Wake wathi nje wena ozonginikeza lokho. I worship you. I surrender to you. SekuNkulunkulu wakho lento leyo. Yabo lapha emsamo mawuthi uzolanda khona uzobikela amadlozi akho ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi bangisize abantu abadala nanani ngifuna ukuthola umsebenzi. Ulethe ama-fruits mawukuthi ulethe ama-fruits ulethe baze babeka ama-aphula babeka amakhekhe bekwe zonke lezi zinto ukhiphe ngisho imali ushisa impepho. That is your God because uthembele yena ukuthi uzokunikeza lo msebenzi ofunayo. If uya kuSathane uthi I want money ngizonikela ngomphefumulo wakho, he is your God because you're going to be worshiping uSathane ukuthi Nkosi yami. And if you worship uNkulunkulu uthi Nkosi ngithembile wena Jehova odalile izulu nomhlaba, ngiyazi ukuthi wena uzongilapha, ngiyazi ukuthi wena uzongondla, ngiyazi ukuthi wena uzonginakekela. Umworship, umkhothamele, umkhonze, uzuguqe kuyena uNkulunkulu odalile izulu nomhlaba. He is your God. And he's the God who's supposed to be worshipped. Because yena usidelele konke. Uyena futhi ohlalela ukudunyiswa nokubonga ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kufana nani lento, kufana nomntwana. Umntwana siyazi sonke ukuthi uthembele kumzali ukuthi uyena uzomthengela amateku, uyena ozomondla, because umntwana ona 10 years engazondla ngani, engazinakekela ngani. Kuze kushiwo ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakho waseqaleni umzali wakho, uNkulunkulu wakho waseqaleni ubaba wakho. Because uthembele kuyena ukuthi yena uzokunikeza yonke into. So these things people, they are gods. Idemoni futhi thembele lona ukuthi lizokusiza. Athi umuntu mina ngeke ngithembele ukuthi mina ngithembele kuyiBhayibheli lami, ngithembele ukuthi you are worshiping it is your God. Ulibeke ithemba lakho. Or uzoworshipa wena. Uthembele kwena, uthembele emandleni akho ukuthi mina nginamandla kabi nje ngiyakwazi ukuzenzela izinto. Umuntu azincome. Even abantu balanda amarosana abo. And uNkulunkulu made this example ukuthi kufana noma mhlawumbe kuzokwenzeka something mhlawumbe into kuzoba neziphepho kanje, kunethe imvula, like kwenzeka izinto nje ezinkulu ezisabisayo. Thola ukuthi abantu sebeyolanda amarosana abo, umuntu useyokhuleka, useyobiza uNkulunkulu wakhe because uthembile yena ukuthi uzomsiza kule situation. Uthembile yena ukuthi uzomkhulula kule nto asuke esebhekene nayo. Useyakhuleka manje kurosana lakhe, uyakhuleka kurosana lakhe. Useyaguqa manje useyamboza ngendlela amboza ngayo, usegqoka ingubo zakhe zasenkonzweni because ufuna ukubiza uNkulunkulu wakhe njengamanje. Ufuna ukubiza azomkhothamela njengamanje. Kufana nasemkhumbini lo waJona. Shiya indaba yokuthi waye endaweni wrong, angikho lapho. Ngisekutheleni ngale kathi sesemkhumbini ko-wrong. Ethunyelwe eNineve yena waba semkhumbini oya eTharishishi. Kwenzakalani sekunesphepho ulwandle selizamazama lapha? Baphuma babiza uNkulunkulu babo baze bakhipha impahla ngaphandle bakhuleka. Wazi wathi oyedwa hayibo khona olele lana emkhumbini, khona ongakhuleki. Baze bathi awuvuke nawe ndoda. Awuvuke ubiza uNkulunkulu wakho. Mhlawumbe uyena ongasindisa kulento esibhekene nayo njengamanje. Mhlawumbe uyena ongasindisa kulesiphepho kulokuzamazama kolwandle njengamanje. Kulokugubhazela kolwandle okwenzakalayo naku sifa naku sibhubha. Why? Because there are many gods abakhona lapha emhlabeni. Bathi vuka nawe ubize owakho uNkulunkulu mhlawumbe ngasisiza. Baningi uNkulunkulu. Ungacabanga ngoba kuthiwe uNkulunkulu sekukhulunywa ngodala izulu nomhlaba, cha. The word uNkulunkulu lisho ukuthi omkhulu kakhulu. The one who's bigger, the one who's broader, the one who's better. Because uthembele yena ukuthi ungcono kunawe. Uthembele yena ukuthi uzokusiza kangcono because awunawo ukuzisiza, awunawo ukuzelapha, awunawo ukuzinakekela, awunawo ukuzenzela. But uthembele yena ukuthi uzokwenzela. Ngakho-ke onkulunkulu baningi, kodwa-ke engithanda ukukuveza njengamanje, ukuthi isitha sizama ukuthi abantu bangafinyeleli ekwazini onguyena yena uJehova umenzi wezulu nomhlaba ngokudukisa abaningi, because these artists aze asho na ukuthi they are not really worship, because abanye, in interviews maba interview bayasho ukuthi they are not really worshiping, but they're working. Bayasho ukuthi this is a career for me, umsebenzi wami engiwenzayo. So this is the way they survive, indlela abaphila ngayo, so that they can make it in life, so that they can make money and gain fame on all the different benefits okuza ngakho. Okuningi singakubona ngendlela abagqoka ngayo. For every person ukuze ubone ukuthi uphila empilweni, uzobona ngesign endlela agqoka ngayo, ngendlela aphila ngayo, ngendlela akhuluma ngayo, indlela ayihlobisa ngayo, indlela enza ngayo. That is a sign ukuthi uphila empilweni. That is a sign ukuthi yena kahle kahle ungubani. Singabantu kumele sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu siyalezile ukuthi singahlobi ngengaphandle. Anyone and everyone ohloba ngengaphandle uzodinga ukuthi afakelwe ibuku ukuthi ukhonza uJehova odala izulu nomhlaba ngempela yini. Zonke lezi zinto, makeup, amacici, ubucwebe, ukugaqa, izinwele, uNkulunkulu siyalezile ukuthi zonke lezi zinto they represent isitha. They were created by isitha. Yabo izinwele lezi ziqhamuka in this other god lo wenyoka esimbona ema-movini, usuke usuhleze efake something ekhanda like, but mewakhipha kuvela izinyoka, izinwele zakhe ziba izinyoka. That is a sign of ama-fiber, lezi zinto ezifakwe emakhanda, zonke ama-makeup nani. So you are not worshiping uNkulunkulu. Bahloba ngazo zonke lezi zinto, bagunda zonke lezi zinto. uNkulunkulu ungazigege emakhanda, but bayazigega, right? uNkulunkulu ungagqoki izinto ezibizayo uzucwebe zonke lezi zinto, but bayakuwenza, right? So bakhonza abaningi, bakhonza uJehova udala izulu nomhlaba, worship uJehova udala izulu nomhlaba, bakhonza bani? Ask yourself all those deep questions, people of God. How sure are you ukuthi babiza uNkulunkulu? So ngaleli phupho uNkulunkulu makes it clear ukuthi lama artist bantu baNkulunkulu, noma ningawathemba kangakanani, nizitshela ukuthi babiza uJehova, but abaseyona lento esiyicabangayo. Yes, it's gospel, umculo wokuhlakanipha, umculo wenduduzo, but it's not lokho bukucabanga, it's not lokho bukudinga, but it's all about the spread of strange and different spirits angekho right. It's all about spreading of imoya bumnyama, spreading into people, so there's abantu bezoqhubeka bahlala osizini, bezoqhubeka abantu balambe, bezoqhubeka abantu bengamthembi uNkulunkulu, bengakholwa ngokuphelele, because abantu they're supposed to be believing uNkulunkulu odala izulu nomhlaba ukuthi uzobenzela konke. You supposed to believe ukuthi kusasa njengoba ngingenako ukudla ekhabetheni ngizolala ngidlile, but people do not believe that. Kunalokho bangiqabashile ukuthi njengoba ngingenako ukudla, I have to go and work, I have to go and do this and that, bese bengasayenzi into kaNkulunkulu, bese bengasakwenza okufanelekile nokuthandekayo nokuzoba usizo kubona. People are supposed to have faith ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzoba nami, uzongiduduza njengoba ngidlulela isihlobo sami, but umuntu athi edlulela isihlobo sakhe kucaca ukuthi naye ufuna ukufa kanye naso, kucaca ukuthi impilo yakhe siphelile ngayo. This music is supposed to give us hope. Kumele ngabe sinikeze ithemba, kumele ngabe sinikeze intshisekelo ukuthi siyamazi uJehova uzosisiza, uzosenzela konke, uzosilapha, uzosihlenga, uzosiqinisa. But they're no longer doing what they're supposed to do, because akusaveli uNkulunkulu. I don't want to lie, kudala kwakuvela uNkulunkulu vele, abantu bahlala umoya kaNkulunkulu abenze bahlabelele, baze bathola ama-voice amahle, but njengamanje akusekho njalo, akusenzeki kanjalo. And I once watched another video nje lapho khona be-recruiter this guy. So this guy wayekade nje eziphilela impilo nje yokuswela kakhulu, ezihluphekela, but enephimbo elihle, ecula kahle, ecula futhi enkonzweni, kwi-gospel, kwi-choir yasenkonzweni. And there's this guy wathi kuyena, wena une-voice enhle kanje kodwa uhlupheka kanje, yazi ukuthi there's a lot that you can do with your voice. And it was like into enjenganani, wathi yazi ungaphila ngale voice yakho, ungaphiliswa iyona. Wathi kanjani? wathi ungaya lapha kwisitha unikele ngomphefumulo wakho, sell your soul, so that umusic wakho nevoice yakho, ngevoice yakho uzokwazi ukuthi uthole imali. Wathi kanjani, and wamthatha wamyisa lapha. And mefika lapha they recruited him, bamrecruiter. Kwase kuthiwa-ke ngevoice yakho-ke ngeke usacula-ke lezi ngoma lezi, but usuzocula lo mculo lo, so that uzokwazi ukuthi ubize abantu abaningi, so that uzospreada imoya yobumnyama. And naye wavuma ngenxa yemali, wavuma wacula, waduma futhi, waba nemali, wakuthola konke. But at the end of the day wagcina ephelele esihogweni because wanikela ngomphefumulo wakhe. So it's all about what it is that you have ethandwa abantu. Isithi esifunayo yilo nayo ethandwa abantu, so that sizoyisebenzisa. Because you are just a worker, uba isebenze nje kuphela kwisithi. Sikusebenzise siphinde sizozuza nowakho futhi umphefumulo. Sizuze abantu imphefumulo, siphinde sizuze nowakho umphefumulo. Cabangi sigena kakhulu kangakanani just ngobula bakho, just ngongalindi wena uNkulunkulu, just ngongabekezeli, just ngongazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uyiligugu kangakanani. And all these things, they come as entertainment. Iyaku-entertaina le ngoma, imnandi yalaleleka, but at the end of the day usuyalahleka eweni. That is why nanamuhla amakholwa aneminyaka in churches. They've got many years, kodwa still abakamqondi uJehova. Still awakazi ukuthi umoya kaNkulunkulu uyalalelwa, uyathotshelwa, uyesatshwa, kwenziwa intando kaNkulunkulu. Still awakazi ukuthi uJehova ufunani kumuntu. Still awakaqondi ukuthi uJehova ulindeleni kubantu. But they've got years and years and years, 50 years, because babhizi baluthekisiwe. And uSathane uhlele emabandleni. He's been a very good friend with churches. That is why kumyalelo wakhe wesi9 ethi nje amabandla kahle kahle angikoleda mina, because kade ngangihleli nabo awukunini, because awalazi izwi likaNkulunkulu, kodwa ajwayele amazwi obumnyama eza for this specific topic, eza ngale mimoya espreadwa ilabantu who are so-called gospel music. So as I had the dream ngomhla ka-25 March, remember umhla 25 March kade wadlula, I had another one ke manje ngomhla ka-17 June, whereby uNkulunkulu was busy emphasizing ukuthi lalela lo myalezo mele udluliswe, lo myalezo mele uhambe uye kubantu manje. So uNkulunkulu umyalezo yakhe uyidlulisa ngesikhathi esifanelekile, ngesikhathi athanda ngaso, nangomzuzu ewona awubona uright, ulungele ukuthi abantu bathole imiyalezo yakhe. So now ngomhla ka-17 June ngibona sisendaweni engazuthi kusesitobhini. Immediately the scene changed. Sasuka from esitobhini and ngazuthi manje sesisendlini thizeni, and this nje it's just like a one room okugcwele nje izimpahla eziningi, ungcolile futhi ngaphakathi. So it was me and two ladies engingabazi, and there was uThina Zungu. Only this musician was portrayed kuleli phupho ngalesi sikhathi. So in this filthy place nangampela bavele bahlale phezulu. You know, emakhaya, especially when it comes to us bantu abamnyama, kwenziwe imicimbi mhlawumbe imishado, bathini ibizo, ikhwehlela, imbondo, yabona zonke lezi zinto. And makwenzeka lezi zinto kusuke ku-exchange ama-gift angithi. So maku-exchange ama-gift, thola ukuthi umuntu uzophiwa ingubo, kuthiwa ingubo yabani, yamkhulu, yagogo, yamamncane, yabo bonke abantu abasemndenini. Umuntu uzothola ingubo yakhe, umuntu uzothola isabelo sakhe, umuntu uzothola akudeservayo nakudingayo. Well, uyakudinga angazi. So wonke umuntu uzothola igift yakhe just because kusuke kuwumcimbi, kubungazwa, kujatshulelwa lo suke eshada ngaleso sikhathi. And ukubone kwabaningi, thola ukuthi ingubo sezotakwa zize ziyodlula wardrobe, ezinye ziphezwa wardrobe, ezinye zisesayidini, zibe ningi. So in this dream ngibona ngazuthi bahleli, you know, ingubo phezu kwazo, kodwa it was at the top, ngazuthi kubekule isihlalo kuphezu kwalezi zinto, kodwa it was balanced, because if ungabeka isihlalo phezu kwengubo obviously uzowa. Kodwa ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi indlela kwakuphezulu ngayo laba behleli khona babehleli endaweni ekanjalo. So kubekwe isihlalo ke at the top, wahlala khona uThina Zungu, and I was like, ayi usungacula ke manje. Wathi nje eqala ekhipha iphimbo lakhe noma wathi eqala ethi uyacula ekhipha izwi lakhe, kwavele kwavodloka, everything just went from up at the top kwathi kulukudu phansi, kulukudu vudlululu phansi, and makuwa yonke into iwela phansi. Akabanga esakwazi ukucula, akabanga esakwazi ukuthi aqhubeke ahlabelele, and I saw his face changing from the excitement, because obviously umuntu kumnandi ukuhlabelela, kumnandi ukucula, kumnandi ukuthi enze into futhi especially into ayijwayele, but he went from being so excited to extremely sad, cause it was like ngeke saphinde akwazi ukucula anymore. Wavele wasuka lapho wahamba, and the Lord took me back. When I woke up, the Lord took me back to umhlaka 25 March with prophecy yokuthi hayibo, remember I once showed you that, I once told you this. So uNkulunkulu had made and came with a link ukuthi njengamanje, since I showed you ukuthi bona baluthekisa amakholwa kangakanani, balahlekisa abantu kangakanani, I would take them from the top, ngizobasusa le phezulu. So this so-called gospel music yabo Thina Zungu nabanye abaningi, but to be specific, Thina Zungu, the Lord will take you from isichongweni, will take you from ukucula kahle, will take you from impilo emnandi, and uNkulunkulu uzokuthatha akubeke phansi. Either you will never be able to sing again, or either uNkulunkulu uzokujezisa, but you will be judged because uhlulekisa ususa abaningi ngenxa yephimbo lakho. Usebenzisa uNkulunkulu ekubusise ngephimbo elihle kangaka. That guy sings so well, that guy sings so nice, that guy is such an uplifter kakhulu kubantu abaningi, but he has used his voice ukuthi spread imoya obumnyama. He is using his voice ukuthi aqhubekise umsebenzi wobumnyama wesitha. uNkulunkulu has sent this guy lapha emhlabeni ukuthi uplift abantu, ezokwenza indumiso yasekhaya ezulwini, azodumisa uJehova ngephimbo lakhe elihle leli. But ngokuthi akakwenzi, uNkulunkulu is going to take the guy from the top, ambusele phansi, break from square one, kube ngathi usakazi waba nephimbo, kube ngathi usakazi akwazi ukucula, kube ngathi usakazi wabusiswa ngesipho esikhulu kangaka, because this is a gift coming straight from the Lord. So if your gift, you use it ngendlela othanda ngayo, ngokuthanda, ngokuchuma, noma ngokuphulukisa uNkulunkulu, noma ngokukhazimuliswa abanye uNkulunkulu ngaphandle kwaJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba, uNkulunkulu is going to take away that gift, is going to take away konke ukuhle akubusise ngakho, uzokuphuca uNkulunkulu. So uNkulunkulu want to make sure, want to make it clear ukuthi wonke amaphimbo uNkulunkulu, especially to the guy uThina Zungu, leli phimbo elihle kangaka uNkulunkulu ambusise ngalo, uzomphuca futhi uzomjaja ngalo, ngoba wengamlethele lapha emhlabeni ukuthi azodumisa uSathane ngalo. Wengamlethele lapha emhlabeni ukuthi azosebenza ngalo, azofuna imali ngalo, azofuna ukuduma ngalo, azofuna ukuspreada eminye imoya, azofuna ukukhothamela abanye uNkulunkulu. But wemlethele lapha emhlabeni ukuthi azodumisa uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba, azokhothamela uNkulunkulu, azokwenza ukuthi abantu babuyiseleke ithemba, babuyiseleke ukuthula, babuyiseleke injabulo. But if he's not doing so, going to be taken from there, from being so famous, from having all the money, from having everything, and back to square one, and to be judged. Uzokwahlulelwa, uzomthobisa kukona konke, because uJehova uyayibona yonke lemsebenzi yobumnyama ayisebenzayo ngegama likaNkulunkulu, which is the worst part out of everything, ukuthi lemsebenzi yabo emnyama bayathanda ukuyenza futhi bayayenza, but okubuhlungu kakhulu bayenza ngegama likaNkulunkulu, bayenza ngegama likaJehova odalile izulu nomhlaba, bayenza beluthekisa abantu so that abantu bezositshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu. How about they just do it caca ukuthi umuntu urashipha bani? Asheshe acacisa ukuthi no kahle kahle ngikwenza ngegama lokuthi ngikwenza ngenxa ukuthi ngikwenza ngenxa yabani bobani. Why do you have to bakumele bakufihle ngoNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi? Why kumele bafihle ngazo ukuthi badumisa uJehova benza intando kaNkulunkulu? Why ngaso sonke isikhathi bedlala ngezwi kaNkulunkulu beluthekisa abantu so that abantu bezolahleka? uNkulunkulu that is why ezojudge kakhulu ngampela because basebenzisa igama lakhe ukulahlekisa abantu abaningi, basebenzisa igama lakhe ukuluthekisa nokususa abaningi ebungcweleni, eqinisweni, ekukhanyeni, ekuphulukisweni, ekubabuyiseleni okufanelekile ekumele ngabe bayakuthola abantu. But basebenzisa igama likaNkulunkulu ngokukhazimulisa uSathane, basebenzisa igama likaNkulunkulu ngokuspread imoya ebumnyama, basebenzisa igama likaNkulunkulu ngokwenza izenzo zabo zobubi befuna ukuzizuzela, bezifunela imali, bezifunela ukuduma, befuna ukusurvive lapha emhlabeni. uNkulunkulu akashongo yini ukuthi uzosurvive lapha emhlabeni, akashongo yini uzosinakekela, akashongo yini uzosondla, akashongo yini uzosenzela konke esikudingayo ngesikhathi esiyiso, ngesikhathi esifanele. Why thina sesifuna ukusurvive ngezinye izindlela? Why thina sesifuna okungaphezulu? We always want more. God is making you survive ngokuthi akunikeze u3,000 each and every month because vele uhlala wedwa. Wena ufunani? Ufuna u10,000 uzowenzani? Awabeli muntu, awuphi muntu, you have no charity. Uzowenzani? Ufuna that big expensive car, ufuna that big expensive house, ufuna that big, you do not need all these things. We just need to survive ngoNkulunkulu, especially kubantu abathunyelwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi bezowenza imisebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Abaphiwe izipho ezinkulu, baphiwe izipho zokuhlabelela, izipho zokukhuleka, izipho zokuprofeta, izipho zokufundisa, abafundisi, zonke lezi zinto. You are given gifts so that nizowasebenzisela uNkulunkulu lapha emhlabeni. But you are taking your gift nina nifuna ukwasebenzisela ubumnyama because alaleliseki, because akwanele lokhu uJehova kunikeza kona, akwanele lokhu akwabele kona, akwabele lokhu akuthandela kona. That was your way, bekuyindlela yakho yokusurvive, and uNkulunkulu kubone kwanele for you because when you have a gift and uNkulunkulu usuke azi ukuthi ngale gift ekunikeze yona kuzokwenzeka vele isithi sifuna ukuyisebenzisa against, kuzokwenzeka vele isithi sifuna ukuyisebenzisa ngendlela yaso, kuzokwenzeka vele isithi sifuna ukuyisebenzisa ngokuthi silande abaningi because siyabona ukuthi wena ngale gift yakho usiza abaningi, so sizofuna ukuyisebenzisa naso le gift yakho. You were given a tool lapha emhlabeni ukuthi wena ngezwi lakho uzoshumayela uphendule inqwaba yabantu. Njengazo zonke izithunywa oPetro abafundi bakaJesu bekwazi ukuthi baphendule abantu 3,000 ngosuku bababhabhadise ngosuku 3,000. So you are given a gift as umfundisi ukuthi wena uzoshumayela ngezindebe zakho, and then masushumayela kuzophenduka inqwaba yabantu, kuzophenduka abantu abaningi. You are given a gift ukuthi wena mawucula abantu bazodumisa, badumisa uJehova, babuyele ezinkonzweni. You are given a gift ukuthi wena mawakhuleka abantu bazothola inkazimulo yaNkulunkulu, babuyele kuJehova, baholeleke endleleni yokulunga. You are given a gift ukuthi wena ngawo konke mawakhuluma nje amazwi mhlawumbe motivator, you are a motivational speaker, unikeza ukuhlakanipha ukuthi mawakhuluma nje kwakhuluma uzondo, wakhuluma ubani, umuntu usiya uplifteka. But uSathane, so uNkulunkulu ngale nkathi kunikeze any of these gifts usuke efuna ukuthi usebenzele yena, and then mase usumsebenzilile ulande inqwaba yabantu beze embusweni wezulu. So uyazi ukuthi uzokunakekela, uyazi ukuthi uzokubhekelela, uyazi ukuthi uzokusiza because uzosebenza ngale gift, uzosebenzela yena. So ukuze usebenzele yena kuzodinga ukuthi uholelo yena ngithi, kuzodinga ukuthi unikezwe yena ngithi okukufanele, okudingayo nokuzokwanela. So wena uzothatha ngokuthi ayingeke mina ngifuna nalokho, nami ngifuna nalokho, nami ngifuna nalokho, then that is when uzosuka ke la uNkulunkulu kade kubeke khona, uzosuka ke la uNkulunkulu ade ethanda ukuthi uhlale khona, and then you will go to places, you will go unikele ngomphefumulo wakho, uzobe ungasasebenzeli kuJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba kodwa uzobe usebenzela ubumnyama ngale gift yakho. Yes, you have it, it's so good, but bekumele sisebenzele uNkulunkulu. Njengamanje semsebenzele uNkulunkulu, sisebenzele ubumnyama, sisebenzele isitha, isiyabazuzisa abantu abaningi. Because why? You came to this world, you saw money, you came to this world, you saw abantu besifazane, you saw all these things, that you were not supposed to go to, ebengamele uzenze, ebengamele uyimbandakanye zona, ebengamele ukuthi uyihlanganise nazo. Then njengamanje igift yakho asayisebenzisi, then njengamanje isipho sakho obusiphiwe uNkulunkulu sesisebenziswa ubumnyama, sesisejiswa yisitha, sesikhazimulisa usathane. Ukudukwa kuningi abantu baNkulunkulu, badukisekile kakhulu. Ngakho-ke uJehova uzokwembula konke okwenzeka ezimfihlakalweni, okwenzeka ebumnyameni, especially okwenziwa in his name, kodwa kube kungakhazimulisi yena. Kuphela kwenza abantu bakhe baduke kakhulu away from yena ukuze bangatholi ukuphulukiswa nokuphila. And uNkulunkulu uzokuveza konke lokho, and uzojaja, uzobahlulela abantu, uzobahlulela labaculi begospel, uzobahlulela bonke odumi, bonke othina. I don't know the rest, uNkulunkulu akaze abaveze kimi, so I'm not going to specify any names uNkulunkulu angawashongo, otherwise I'll be coming here ngizoniqambela amanga. But uNkulunkulu uzokuveza konke lokho okwenzakalayo, uzoziveza zonke izinto ezenzeka ebumnyameni, uzoziveza zonke izinto ezenzeka ezifihlakalweni, because uNkulunkulu befisa kukhazimulisa yena, befisa kwenziwe yakhe intando, befisa kukhothamelwe yena, kuthotshelwe yena, abantu babuyele kuyena, abantu baphulukise imphefumulo yabo, abantu bathande yena, bakhonze yena, badumise yena ngokwenza intando kaNkulunkulu lapha emhlabeni njengoba nasekhaya ezulwini yenziwa. But njengamanje akusenziwa intando kaNkulunkulu lapha emhlabeni, sekwenziwa intando yobumnyama ngokuthi kuthandwe izinto, sekwenziwa intando yobumnyama ngokuthi kuphule imiyalelo kaNkulunkulu, sekwenziwa intando yobumnyama ngokuthi uNkulunkulu angasakhonzwa, ungasana ndaba noNkulunkulu, sekwenziwa intando yobumnyama ukuthi abantu bangasamthembi uNkulunkulu, bengasazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyelapha, bengasazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyondla, bengasazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi ngingakhathazeki ngengomuso kodwa akhathazeka ngenamhlanje, inkathalo namhlanje yanele. Mina I will worry about your tomorrow, because the Lord can worry about tomorrow. The Lord he always worries about your tomorrow. Futhi hayi ngoba esoyekhathazeka, he just knows your tomorrow. He knows kuzokwenzakalani, he knows ukuthi ukuhlelele ukuthi uzodlala kusasa. And when you're gonna be so worried today ukuthi uzodlala kusasa bese uyafuna ukuthi uyozifunela lokho ufuna ukudla, elahleke kanjalo indaba. So these gospel singers abayona lento esicabangayo, makholwa abayona lento obuyitshela ukuthi bayiyona, babakona futhi lokho obufisa ukuthi babe kona, but bayilokho abakuthandayo njengamanje, bayilokho abakwamukelile, bayilokho abakuvumelile ngenxa yenkanuko zabo, ngenxa yokuthanda izinto, ngenxa yokushifika la emhlabeni bakhohle ukuthi bebedaleleni, bakhohle imisebenzi yabo, bakhohle imisebenzi yobuhle yokulunga uJehova kade bayalezele bona. So for this kind of specific message, it's not about pastors nani, but ngalomculo lo wegospel. Qaphelani makholwa, for every problem there's a solution. Qaphela umculo lalelayo, qaphela ukuthi unawuphi umoya, qaphela ukuthi lo muntu ukhothamela which God, usarenda muphi uNkulunkulu. Just be careful, uqaphele, because everything is strange njengamanje, everything is changing. Akuseyona lento besifisa ukuthi kube yona, asiyona lento besicabanga kuyiyona, akuseyona lento esithanda ukuthi kube yona, akusenjalo njengamanje. But sekuyilokho abantu abathanda ukuthi kube yikona ngenxa yabo, ngenxa yokuthanda kwabo. Futhi seyikhathini zokugcina abadukisi beyikhathi ukugcina abantu badukisa indlela zonke, nxa zonke, ngakho konke futhi. So sithi kumakholwa, if I can't beat you, then I need to join you. And then sisibabajoyina abantu, sibajoyina ngalomculo abawuthandayo, sibajoyina ngalezi zinto abayithandayo, bese sisibazuze kanjalo ke, and then sesiqedile ngabo, all well and done. So bayona lento sicabangayo makholwa, just get that into your thick skull, ukwamkele nje lokho ngengqondo yakho nangomphefumulo wakho. And angizoza la ngizontshela into engekho, whether you believe it or not, that is up to you. Uzozibonela kusasa mase kwenzeka izinto, because abantu abaningi will take it like unamanga lokho zisiqambe ngazosibhedela nani. Wow, I don't know, uzozibonela nawe kusasa ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni, ngoba kunje izinto azibonayo uNkulunkulu usuke zama ukusiza thina. Sizeka uma uthanda, uma ungathandi okwakho lokho you will see kusasa, but ungaboni ke sekulithi. So sibuyeleni ekuthenini uJehova ngubani, eqinisweni lelinguye, simfune uqobo lwakhe, sifune lakhe iqiniso. Uyena ozosiyaleza ukuthi ulalela lokho ungakulaleli lokho, lalela umculo ungalaleli umculo, ngomoya wakhe weqiniso osiyalezayo, osiqondisayo. Nkosi nje benani, bantu baNkulunkulu, hlaze nazi ukuthi akusekona lokho esikucabangayo, lesikufisayo, lesi siyitshela ukuthi ikona. But yogidi siguqukile siyekhathini zokugcina njengamanje. Ngakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasizonda isono, ngakhohlwa futhi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyabuthanda ubungcwele. So sizilungise sibuyele kuJehova, siphelele kuyena. Sicela indlulisele imiyalezo nakwabanye bathole ukuphulukisa nokusindisa, bazane noNkulunkulu odalile izulu nomhlaba. So for more videos in short clips, 10 minutes, khona TikTok uLihle Ithemba, Instagram uLihle Ithemba Wende Mzobe, and Facebook uLihle Ithemba Mzobe. Nkosi benani, ngibusise kakhulu. Amen.